Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox in Turkey on your mobile device. The only reliable method involves using a virtual private network, or VPN. This tool allows you to bypass regional restrictions by making it appear as though you are browsing from a different country. We'll cover selecting a reputable VPN, setting it up on your phone, and connecting to Roblox seamlessly. This process typically takes less than 10 minutes to get started. Selecting the right VPN is crucial for a smooth experience. Look for providers with a strong reputation for security, fast speeds, and a wide array of server locations, especially outside of Turkey. Many premium VPNs offer hundreds, even thousands, of servers across dozens of countries. Consider options that provide a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to test their service risk-free. Free VPNs often come with limitations or security risks, so exercise caution. Once you've chosen a VPN, download its mobile application from your device's app store. Installation is straightforward, usually taking less than 1 minute. After installing, open the app and log in. You'll then select a server location outside of Turkey, such as in Europe or North America, for optimal performance. Tap the Connect button, and your device will establish a secure connection. This process typically takes only a few seconds to complete. For the best Roblox experience, always ensure your VPN is active before launching the game. If you encounter connection issues, try switching to a different server location within your VPN app. Sometimes, clearing your device's cache or restarting the Roblox application can also resolve minor glitches. Remember that using a VPN might slightly increase your ping, but a good quality service will minimize this impact, ensuring smooth gameplay for hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.